Hello, my name is Ashley Ellickson, and I'm in the Department of Agriculture and Resource Economics, as well as a member of the Agriculture Law Education Initiative. And today I will be going over part 3 of a 4-part series that we're doing on agricultural water law and discussing agricultural water law in Maryland during a time of drought or water shortage. So, can a farmer be denied the right to use water in a time of drought? We do get this question often, even though we live in Maryland where water as a shortage seems to be something that isn't on a lot of people's minds, but unfortunately it is. In general, yes, the MDE can prohibit a farmer from appropriating water during a water supply emergency. However, as I go on today, you will see that even though that this is a possibility, it isn't necessarily likely to happen. So if the MDE determines that a water supply emergency exists, the first priority for water usage is as follows. First, domestic and municipal uses for sanitation. Second, drinking water and public health and safety. Third is agricultural uses and all other uses. So what is a water supply emergency exactly? Well, it isn't explicitly defined, but the Maryland Code describes this period of time as available water supplies are inadequate in an area to meet the needs of all persons who have permits. And this doesn't necessarily mean only agricultural permits. So in order for the MDE to disallow a farmer from using water that the farmer is permitted to withdraw, there must be a current water supply emergency and an adequate supply in that area. There are different determinations for each type of withdrawal. These types of withdrawals are surface water, tidal water, groundwater withdrawal from an unconfined aquifer, and groundwater from a confined aquifer. Each of these types require a different standard when the MDE considers if an agricultural water user must cease his or her appropriation. And those standards are differentiated in the code and are very unique and specific to the permit holder in general. When considering the issuance of a water appropriation and use permit, the MDE conducts a water needs assessment, and as part of that assessment, it considers the likelihood of water shortage and drought. So basically, through their technical evaluation, the MDE makes every effort to issue a permit in a manner that would account for this time of water shortage or drought in an effort to avoid requiring any restriction if a water supply emergency were to come about. So this is why there will not necessarily be a time where an agriculture permit holder will be required to stop using water, because MDE does account for this issue when doing their technical analysis when issuing a permit. Thank you for listening today. If you have any questions, again, my name is Ashley Ellickson, and my email is aellix@umd.edu, and my colleague Sarah Everhart, everhart@law.umaryland.edu. Both of our phone numbers are also available on this slide, and feel free to reach out with any questions you may have. Thank you.